digit numbers, the form is coming out is 10a plus b. Means in that what is a and b? For example, we write some examples. 27 we write AB, 2 is the A and 7 is the B. A is means that is called the tens place and B is the unit place. So we write in the generalized form 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. 2 into 10 into plus 7 into 1 means 2 is called A and 7 is called B. So that is called the generalized form of 2-digit number. Next, again repeat the 3 digits of generalized form. So 3-digit generalized form, we write some examples. 287. In that first we discuss about the place value of this number. 7 which place, 1's place, 8 tens place, 200 place. But in right the generalized form, so that is called 2 means 2 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So in that we write the 3-digit number A, B, C. So 100 plus B into and B into 10 plus C into 1 means so 100A plus 10B plus C. So that is called the 3 digits generalized form. Next is what is the reversing digit? So if we write the reversing digits, so 2-digit reverse digit, if we write AB, so the AB reverse digit is what? BA. Means if we write 10A plus B, so the reversing digits is equal to 10B plus A. Also same as the similarly 3-digit number A, B, C and the form of the is 100A plus 10B plus C, but we write in the form of reversing digits. So reversing digits is equal to, we write 100C plus 10B plus CA. Sorry, A. 100C plus 10B plus A. So this is called the reversing digit and this is called the general digits. Now latest 2 digits how we come explain. Now latest 2 digits we apply the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication. For another example we write 2, 4 is so look at this number. So in that there are the 2 and 24, but there is a digit not given and there. So this is called a missing digit. We write now the 9. 9 4 ja what? So 9 4 ja 36. We multiply 9 into 4 36. So 3 6 is that place and 3 is the carry forward. Next is 9 2 ja 18 and plus 3. So 9 2 ja 18 plus 3, what is the answer is 21. So this is called. So latest 2 digit there is a letter is 8. So this is called the latest 2 digit we applying of the numbers. Next is the what is the divisibility rules. Divisibility rules, why we apply the divisibility rules? Without division how can we find that numbers are divisible by that numbers? So in the test of divisibility we can apply divisibility, we explain it. For example, we write the 18689. Can these numbers are divisible by 2? No. Why? How can we say that number is not divisible by 2? So the rules of this number, test of divisibility by 2, we can see that numbers, we can see the last digit, means unit place. If the unit place is a multiples of 2, means the last digit is which 0. Ending the digits is, if the last ending the digits is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that about the number. So that numbers are divisible by 2. So in that example 18689, 9 is not the divisible by 2. So all about this number are not divisible by 2. Yani a number is divisible by 2, the rules is the last unit digit is a multiples of 2, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that numbers are divisible by 2. Next is test of divisibility by 3. Test of divisibility by 3. So what is the rules of the 3? So in the test of divisibility rules, if any numbers will be given, for example we write can this number are divisible by 2? Sorry, divisible by 3? Yes. How can we say? So now some of the students will divide that numbers without division. How can we find that the number is divisible by 3? So that the rules is sum of all digits. Sum of all digits is multiples of 3. Why is multiples? The multiples, I know that the rules is the number of the digits is coming out that table. So 3, the table is 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So that is the multiples of these numbers of 3. So sum of all digits is multiples of 3. It is divisible by 3. So we apply the form of this number 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. Add this number 8 plus 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 3. So that, so 7, 3, 10, 18 and 1, 19. Can this number is divisible by 3? No. It is not divisible by 3. But some of students see the math. This is the number of the unit place is 3 and 3 is the multiples of the 3. No. So that form only the unit place we can see. So this is the rules apply for the test of divisibility by 2. But in case of test of divisibility by 3, sum of all digits is multiples of 3. That numbers is divisible by 3. So we can check how. So 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 16 plus 3 is 19. And 19 is not the multiples of 3. So it is not divisible. It is not divisible by 3. Next, another example. So 6318 is the divisible by 3. Again we apply the rule 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8. 6 3 9 9 plus last two digits is divisible by 4. So last two digit, for example, 284. So 2840. Look at the last two digits. That is the last two digits. 40. 40 is divisible by 4. Yes. So yes. 40 is divisible by 4. So yes, it is divisible by 4. So the last two digit is divisible by 4. It is divisible by all this number by 4. So this is the rules of divisibility of 4. Now the next is the 5. 5 is the simple rules if the last digit is 0 or 5. If any number the last digit is 0 or 5. For example, 505, 500, any numbers, 900, 1000. So 1005, 9865. So all these numbers, look at this, all these numbers last digits are 0 और 5 या फिर 0 या 5 रहने पर वो नंबर किससे डिविजिबल होगा? टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 5. Now the next is rules is 6. 6 is the rules if any numbers, for example 346, 980. In that numbers, if those numbers are divisible by both 2 and 3, if any number divisible by both 2 and 3, that numbers is divisible by 6. यानी जो numbers दिया गया है वो numbers 2 से भी divisible होना चाहिए और 3 से भी divisible होना चाहिए. वो दोनों numbers या 2 और 3 से divisible होने पर ही 6 का divisibility rules है. यानी how? So 346 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because in the last digit is 6. Next is the test of divisibility by 3. So we add 3 plus 4 plus 6. There is a 13. So 13 is not a multiples of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So in 346 it is not divisible by 6. Next is the 980. The last digit is 0. Is multiples of 2. Yes, it is divisible by 3. But can check that is the number is divisible by 3. 9 plus 8. 8 is 17. 17 is not the multiples of 3. So it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So that numbers are not divisible by 6. Next is the 7. Test of divisibility by 7. So what is the rules? We write another example. 343. So what is the rules of 7? If the last digit, any last place, last unit digits is multiplied by 2. Unit digits is multiplied by 2. So we can check 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and the rest digits in the last digit is multiplied by 2 and the subtraction of that rest digits. So 34 minus 6 is 28. So it is a 28 is a multiples of 7. Yes, of course. So it is divisible by 7. यानी कोई नंबर जिसको हम एग्जांपल में ले रहे हैं या कोई नंबर दिया गया है उसके लास्ट प्लेस को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर बाकी जो रेस्ट डिजिट है उसमें माइनस कर देना है. माइनस करने पर अगर वो डिजिट्स उस 7 का मल्टीपल्स है तो वो टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स को वेरीफाई करता है. नेक्स्ट 8 is the if the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, so that is a multiple divisible by 8. 0, it is multiples of 10. It is also the divisible by 10. And the last is divisibility by 11. So what is the rules of 11? We can write some examples. For example, 1 3 3 1. First of all, how many digits in that? There are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. So first we write sum of odd place. Means odd place पर कितने numbers हैं? तो odd place कौन सा है? 1 is the odd place, 3 is the odd place. 1 odd place पर कौन सा digit है? 1 है. And 3 odd place पर क्या है? 3 है. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Next is sum of even place. Even place means even place पर what? 2. 2 is the even place. 3 2 के place पर कौन सा है? 3 है. 4 even place 1. So 3 plus 1 also the 4. So their difference is equal to 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So it is divisible by. How can we verify these numbers are divisible by 11? So we know that simple we factorize of this number 11. Can this is the rules is correct or not? Okay, now we write. So this is the remainder is 0 means that number is divisible by that number. So what is the rules of 11? We explain it. If any numbers, first of all we calculate how many digits are there in the numbers. We count them. There are 4 digits or 5 digits. So we add the odd place, sum of odd place, sum of even place, and their difference. If the difference is, find out the 0 or multiples of 11. So that numbers is divisible by 11. So this is the rules of the 11. Okay. Now next is puzzles questions. What is the puzzles question? We write first some examples I will given the puzzles. We write some numbers. Find out the some numbers. Okay. And there the value is just like 9. So we find out the numbers is, what is the number? Sum, there is right now the sum, there is difference, and there is product. Okay. So how can we find that the numbers is the answer is? So the question is if the difference is 7. So we find out. Let me explain. There is a x and y. So x plus y is, their sum is 9 and their difference is x minus y is equal to 7. For example, the x plus x and let the number be x and y of those numbers. So x plus y, the sum is 9. X minus y is equal to 7. How can we find the value of this number? So we apply y cancel, 2x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 8. We find out the x is 8. And if the 8, so what is the value of y? We apply the rules. X plus y is equal to, for equation 1 is 9. We put the value of this equation 8 plus y is equal to 9. And we find the value is 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So we find out, so the value is y is 1. So we can check this is the correct number or not. So 8 plus 1 9, 8 minus 1 7, and their product. So 8 into 1 is 8. So this type of the question is puzzle question.